think. What could Pig's plan B possibly be? I don't know. Choco, you got any ideas? No, not really. I have no idea what could it possibly be. I don't know what could it be. Maybe we got rid of him for good when we attacked him. If that were the case, he would be gone by Piggy Nom. You're right, Redy. What could his plan be then? I don't know. In the meantime, we're just gonna be on the lookout for now. No! I can't come up with any more good ideas. I don't know what I could do now. Think. Come on. Think. Ow! Think about eggs. That's it! I know. I'll just dress up like an egg, and then I'll roll to where their nest is. Yes, that's a perfect plan. What tools can I use? This paper. What if I become a golden egg? Even better. I know how much those birds like golden eggs. So when they see a giant one, they'll just want to take care of it. Yeah. Then I'll be at their nest. Then I'll steal their eggs. And once I've stolen their eggs, I could just boil them with my griller. Yes. All right. This will be perfect for my plan.
A few minutes later.
Yes, this is perfect. Now I look like a golden egg. I can just turn around like this, and they'll become an egg. Yes, and this time they don't have any explosives to blow me back. And I can steal the eggs. Woo-hoo! I'm a genius. Now, I just need to roll to the birds. Which shouldn't be that hard. I roll a lot back in my young days. So surely I could do it again now. Ow! That hurt much more than expected. The only difference between a real egg and me is that egg would have snapped into pieces. Alright, time to go to the bird's nest. I can't seem to think of anything. What if he's trying to use the element of surprise? Like when he tried stealing the eggs at night instead of in the daytime. Remember? You're right. But where could Pig get all his plans from? Beats me. So when are you gonna make like a new launcher episode or something? I don't know really. It's kind of hard and long to make. And I don't really know considering how they perform. There they are. Sneak up. Slowly go across that part right there. Once I hit the soccer ball, I'll just kick it and then roll along with the soccer ball. And then they're going to be thrilled when they see a golden egg. Okay, so I need to slowly get down from this tree. Whoa! So anyway, yeah. What was that? Oh snap, they heard me. I need to start rolling now. Should have trained more on how to roll. Why am I so fat? I can't roll. Hey Choco, what is that? It looks like a golden egg that's rolling straight towards us. I haven't gotten one of those since 2013. Come on, let's get one. Yes, come to me. Come here, golden egg. Come with Choco. Ready? I got it. Hooray! It's a golden egg. Yeah, except this one feels very lighter than usual. I don't know why.
Maybe it's because we haven't picked one up in a very long time.
Yeah, I guess you could say that. I remember getting our first golden egg. Oh, yeah. They're golden eggs. I can think they're real eggs. Come on. Yep. Just imagine how us from years ago feel. We would be pleased. I got them. You know, maybe we should give our golden egg a place that's a bit more fancier than our nest. Aha, I know, fancy. You can count on me, Redy.
Choco, what are you gonna do?
Perfect. I'm still shocked how it took us like 11 years just to get all 35 golden eggs. Yeah, me too. I wonder what's taking Rovio so long to return all our old games back to the App Store. Well, technology issues and stuff. Old technology. At least we got Angry Birds Reloaded. That's one good thing. That's why they took down the original Angry Birds, but they still left bad piggies on there. Yeah. There you are, my precious little dinner. Get in the pouch. Yeah, but... Hey, where's our golden egg? Piggy must have stolen it. Foolish birds, I am the golden egg, and now I will finally run off with your real eggs. Ha 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 ha. No, today you won't. Alright, I'm on. Choco, pull down on the branch. I'm on it. Time to get some workouts done. Gotta get back to my capsule. Oh no, the tape is coming loose. No, come on, get back up. Uh-oh, gotta get the bag now. Dragging it across the floor is not as fun. Right there, keep aiming. Good thing I've been eating some McDonald's. Come on, I need to get out of here. Fire! Ah. No! Bullet charge! Ah! Oh! Big bash! Whoop! Another plan failed. Safe at last. That was very smart of Piggy, Choco. Yeah. Disguising himself as our favorite item. We should watch out for his tricks now more often. I wonder what his next attack will be. Beats me.